Now, let me show you how you can print a note on your Mac computer. So what we're going to do right now is open up the Notes app like this, and let's say that this is the note which I want to print out. There are a couple of buttons around it, so you probably clicked on the share or the three dots in here, but these don't really reveal the print option. What you have to do instead is go to the top left corner of your Mac screen, and as you can see, I have the Apple logo, then the Notes app, which is open, but I can click on a file like that, and at the bottom of this section, I will be able to click on a print. And when I click on a print like this, you get to see this page, which allows me to connect and set up a printer if I don't have that just yet. And there are also all of these settings, like how many copies of this particular thing I want to have, and choose the paper size and so on. So that's how you can do this once you have it set up, and especially once you're connected to a printer, you'll be able to click on print, and that's how it's gonna be printed out. One more thing though, as you could have noticed when I clicked on a file in the top left corner, the print icon also has the shortcut next to it. So it's the Command and a P. And when you do this on your keyboard, even without clicking around on the screen, you're going to get to the same page. So as long as you are open in the Notes app and perform the shortcut of pressing Command P on your keyboard like this, you're going to get it to the print page as well. And this applies not only to Notes, but to most places on Mac. You can always try to Command P and see if you can actually print out whatever you see on the screen. So that's everything I wanted to talk about and show you in this video. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.